How to use advanced feature in Paramount Plus. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use advanced feature in Paramount Plus. You generally need a Paramount Plus with Showtime, formerly a premium subscription. So this feature includes offline download, 4K streaming, and ad-free viewing as well. Now, offline viewing or offline download only available for Paramount Plus with Showtime subscriber on mobile device. So for that, you just want to make sure to go to browse for a movie or a show and look for the download icon next to the title or an episode. You could then tap onto the icon to start the download, and you could access your content later by tapping onto more. Then you could download to watch without an internet connections as well. Next, you have a 4K UHD. So high quality videos and audio are exclusive to select title on Paramount with Showtime plan. So likewise, you could also go ahead and remove content from your watch list or watch history as well. And you could also manage multiple profile if you want to, and you could also add a playback and accessibility feature too. So likewise, you could also go ahead and add in more profile, up to 6 or 5 profile you could add it. And you also can go ahead and add in a content according to the age appropriate as well. So this is how, or this is what the Paramount Plus offers, the advanced features. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.